What if I told you one company rode a pandemic, survived a crash, and then became the backbone of the AI revolution? This is the story of NVIDIA, from gaming GPUs to a trillion-dollar AI empire. 2020 changed everything. Lockdowns hit the world, and suddenly, everyone was gaming. NVIDIA launched its RTX 3000 series, its best-selling GPUs ever. Demand exploded. Gaming revenue hit record highs, with quarterly sales reaching $2.27 billion, up 37% year over year. And investors noticed the stock skyrocketed 121% in a single year. But this was just the beginning. Then came crypto miners. Ethereum miners rushed in, buying up the same GPUs gamers needed. Shortages got so bad that NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang warned of a long-term supply crunch lasting into 2023. Prices surged, shelves emptied, and NVIDIA stock, it climbed another 125%. 2022 was brutal. Interest rates rose. Tech stocks crashed. Crypto collapsed. NVIDIA's planned $40 billion ARM acquisition blocked. The stock fell over 60% from its peak. It looked like the boom was over. But then, in November 2022, something happened that changed everything. ChatGPT launched. NVIDIA did not sleep on its laurels. 2023 was NVIDIA's turning point. AI demand went nuclear. Every company wanted to build AI, and they all needed NVIDIA's H100 GPUs. Data center revenue surged 409%. In May, NVIDIA crossed a $1 trillion market cap. They literally couldn't make chips fast enough. NVIDIA wasn't just a gaming company anymore. It was powering the future of AI. In 2024, NVIDIA doubled down. They unveiled the Blackwell architecture, delivering massive performance leaps. And then came a symbolic moment. NVIDIA joined the Dow Jones Industrial Average, replacing Intel. The old guard was out. The AI era was in. The stock surged another 171%. But 2025 proved it's never a smooth ride. A Chinese startup called DeepSeek shocked the market with an efficient AI model, sending NVIDIA stock down 17% in one day. Then came a major blow. U.S. restrictions on chip exports to China, costing NVIDIA $5.5 billion. And yet, despite everything, the stock hit an all-time high, briefly touching a $5 trillion valuation. From gaming GPUs to the heart of artificial intelligence, NVIDIA didn't just survive the chaos. It defined the next era of technology. And the real question is this just the beginning? What if NVIDIA actually drops? The conservative case puts the stock around $190, just 7% upside. Why so cautious? Right now, NVIDIA trades at about 38x earnings, meaning there's almost no room for mistakes. Any delay in next-gen chips, more China restrictions, or losing AI market share, that could hit the stock hard. And competition is rising fast. AMD, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all building their own AI chips. The big question, is NVIDIA still untouchable or just ahead for now? Here's the real Wall Street view on NVIDIA. The balance case? Around $260, about 46% upside. Why? Because demand is insane. At GTC 2026, Jensen Huang revealed NVIDIA has over $1 trillion in AI chip orders through 2027. That's double what they projected just a year ago. Meanwhile, big tech is spending like crazy, with data center investments expected to exceed $500 billion. Top banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley all agree. NVIDIA is still the center of the AI boom. Now here's the bull case, and it's wild. Some analysts see NVIDIA hitting $340 or even $400. Why? Because demand might be even bigger than expected. NVIDIA's next-gen chips are reportedly almost sold out for 2026, and orders are already stacking up for 2027 and 2028. One firm says purchase commitments jumped 90% in a single quarter. Another calls NVIDIA the core engine of AI. If this continues, we're not just in a boom, we're in a full-blown AI supercycle.